Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this incredibly delicious and tasty hazelnut nougat cake. This is a simple and fairly easy recipe, which doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Enjoy this yummy hazelnut nougat cake as a delightful treat on any occasion with some tea or coffee on the side. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off by mixing everything in a mixing bowl. Whisk the eggs with the sugar and vanilla sugar until the sugar has dissolved. The exact measurements will be shown throughout the video. Then add in the sunflower oil and milk and continue mixing. Now it's time to add in the dry ingredients, so sift in half of the flour, baking powder, and cornstarch into the bowl and whisk it together once again. Now with a hand whisk mix in the rest of the flour as shown and lastly add in the lemon zest and juice, as well as the spoonful of vinegar. As soon as the batter is well mixed, pour it into a round baking pan and let it bake in the oven until golden brown. While waiting for the cake to bake, prepare the cream for the filling. Here you're just going to need one big packet of creme chantilly, 1½ cups of milk and some butter, as per instructions on the box. Mix everything until it's well combined and the cream has stiffened, then put it in the refrigerator or freezer to stay firm until the cake is done. Now onto the chocolate cream, where you need to do essentially the same. Combine 2 cups of milk with 2 small packets of creme chantilly and mix everything until the cream has stiffened and put it in the refrigerator as well. And now this is what the cake should look like when taken out of the oven. Once it's cooled down, cut it down in the middle like so. Now either take some plain sugar syrup or mix some instant coffee with hot water as shown and spread that all over the fully cooled down cake. Then let that sit for a moment so the surface isn't too wet. Now it's time to take the white buttercream and to spread it all over the top of the bottom layer of the cake. Make sure that it's a relatively thick layer of cream and if possible, leave an indentation for the filling in the middle. Now for the filling. Add some melted nougat or hazelnut chocolate in the middle as shown and add in some crushed hazelnuts and chocolate wafers as well. Now add the top of the cake and spread some of the cream on there as well. Put the cake into a freezer for at least an hour to 2 hours. Now comes the fun part, the decoration. Even out the cream on the sides and on top and take some chocolate ganache and drip it down the sides of the cake as shown. Once you've done that, put the chocolate cream from earlier in a piping bag and create these roses on top of the cake and smaller ones in between. Afterwards, take what's left from the chocolate ganache and spread it in the middle towards the gaps in between the roses. Add some finishing touches as you'd like and you're done. Now put the cake into the freezer once more for another 1 to 2 hours before serving. And this is how the hazelnut nougat cake should look like at the end. Now cut it, serve it, and enjoy it. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.